Alright, so we're gonna start off with, matter of fact, first off, as you can see, the Holley mid-mount kit, the black one, is $2,483.95 plus tax, which really comes up to about $2,639.20. And I paid $1,800. Let's see how I paid $1,800. So let's start off with the heart of the kit, the manifold water pump assembly. This you have to order from Holley or from whoever's carrying it, but this is a Holley product. This is part number 97-167. Hold on. (97-167). That's the black one. And this came up to $444 from Holley. Y'all can add it up too. So $444. What's next? I'm skipping the gaskets, but gaskets, I didn't bring them. Gaskets, $20 for the water pump outlets. Those is GM part number 126-30223. And then we got the water pump assembly, which is Holley part 97-200, which is $103. Plus the gasket, you gotta buy it somewhere else. I got that for $10. And that gasket was GM 126-19770. That's a water pump. That was $103, like I said. We got the bando belt. You can see the part number. Next, the thermostat. This thermostat was aggy. I ordered it from Holley, back order for 100,000 months. Like, come on, dude. Ended up ordering it from Amazon. I had to pay, I think, $50. But I wrote $23 on it because there's $23 from Holley. I paid like $40. Thermostat. That's part number 97-169. What's next? The NPT adapters and plugs from Holley 97-177. Back order, waiting from Holley. Those are $36. That's the only thing I don't have for this kit that I'm waiting for. It's the last thing that's on back order. This is Holley pulley. Well, not Holley. This is a Gates pulley. 38163. What I paid? $33 on Amazon. You can choose different alternators, but you're gonna have to make sure your pigtails can work. You might have to modify your alternator. But I got the DL1923-164-4. This is I don't know if this is gonna work. I might have to get a different size, but it might work. but you have to modify this so it comes out on the side, because it'll hit the back of your head. So you have to modify this so it can come out the side. Tie my shoes, excuse me. So this little thing, I have the right part number. I'll leave that in the description. I don't know it off the top of my head. For the correct part number that you definitely want to use for this. I forgot, but I got this one from Amazon because it's similar. Alright, next we got the ST7 AC compressor. That I had an AC in that box Chevy, man. That was $297.50. Got that, I think, on Amazon too. I forget. AC adapter manifolds. That's what they listed as. Adapter for the manifold for AC compressor. This is Holley part 199-202. And that was $19.61. Power steering pump. GM style type 2 with the reservoir. Get it open. Same thing they got at Holley, they just put their name on it. This was $127. I think from Amazon. I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna put Holley on this just to be a, you know what. Alright, where we at? Trying to be quick. Okay, power steering, car lines, and kits and hardware. No, that's not it. 198-203. I got this from Holley for $74. You can probably get the same shit cheaper somewhere else, but I decided to go with Holley just so I know it works. $75. Sheesh. Power steering pulley. Power steering pulley I got from Amazon. $26. The crank bolt I got for $10. GM 125 57-840. And this one-piece damper from Holley. I got part number 97-205. I paid $279. Always check my ribs, make sure there's no, you feel me? No mishaps, cause I'll be quick to send it back, player. that's it. And the rest is just, oh, and you need a, pigtail harness for your alternator. But you need to figure out which alternator you're getting, and, you know, figure that part out. Yeah, I think that's it. That's a wrap, folks. See you guys tomorrow, because you know I'm working on these box Chevys. I can't stop and I won't stop. Peace. Forgot one more thing, y'all. How you gonna bolt it up? The hardware kit for the manifold. What's the part number? 97-162. And I paid $41. Now for real, peace.